Okay, inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. The positive affirmation for this is thank you, counting our blessings. Inhale up. Thank you. Inhale up. Thank you. Inhale up. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Muchos gracias. Inhale up. Spasiba. 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 Inhale up. Shay. Inhale up. Arigato. Inhale up. Dankeschön. Inhale up. Any more? Thank you. Thank you very much. Shukriya. Okay. Feet together. Okay, hands here. Okay, we're going to lift our left knee up. We're going to exhale down into the crouching tiger. So, left foot comes out. Slide your feet together. Inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale, lift your right knee. Exhale down into the crouching tiger. Slide your feet together. Inhale up. This one is love. Inhale. Exhale down. Out. Together. Inhale up. Say it with me. Love. Inhale. Take it down. Out. Together. Inhale. Exhale out. Love. Inhale up. Down. Out. Together. Inhale. Exhale out. Love. One more. Up. Down. Out. Together. Inhale. Exhale out. Love. Okay, the next one is the Lotus Flower. Okay, feet wider than your hips. And we're going to let our arms and our heads droop down like petals of a flower. Okay, and then we're going to come up, rolling it up, vertebrae by vertebrae, opening your chest, your arms, your face to the sky like a flower, opening up to the sun. Okay, we're going to inhale down. And we're going to exhale up. Inhale down. And this is a lotus flower that grows out of that dark, hostile environment and somehow miraculously becomes this beautiful flower. Inhale down. Exhale up. The affirmation for this is all is well. Inhale down. Exhale up. All is well. Inhale down. Exhale up. All is well. Okay, let's bring it down into prayer. Okay, the last part of this routine is really to lift your spirits right up, okay? So this is like being your own personal cheerleader, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to stomp our right foot. Stomp, 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 stomp. And then we're going to pump our arms. One. There we go. Okay, we're gonna yell yeah. Get ready, and yeah! Woo! Okay. Left foot. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Pump your pump. Get ready, and yeah! Okay, you rock. Okay, feet wide apart, toes out. Okay, we're gonna go into the goddess. Bend your knees. Roll your tailbone in a bit. A little bit of back extension going on here, okay? Straight plumb line right down to the floor. Palms up, drop your shoulders. Deep breaths. Just come out when you're ready. Okay, we're going to do a balancing posture next. So we'll start on our right foot. Find your drishti point on the floor, the spot you're focusing on for breath, for balance. Okay, so you can use a wall if you like for extra support. Okay, it's all good. You're still balancing on that foot. Okay, and then we're going to bring the left knee up, arms out to the sides. Now, if you want to take it a little further, you can bring that knee to your chest, like the knee to chest stretch we were doing earlier horizontally, but this is vertically. And then we're going to go into the flying eagle. So we're going to take that left foot back. And we're going to draw our arms back, palms out. Draw your shoulder blades together. Open your chest. Turn your left foot sideways so the toes are pointing towards the wall or the fence, as the case may be. Eagle style. Okay, then we're going to balance on our left foot. Find your drishti point. Bring your right knee up. Okay, just taking it as far as what's manageable. Okay, and then we're going to take that right leg back into the flying eagle. Open your chest, palms out, draw your shoulder blades together. Turn your right foot sideways, eagle style, deep breaths. Okay, we're going to go into Yoga Mudra. Feet wide apart. We have the standing version and the kneeling version. Okay, so you bring your hands behind you, intertwining your fingers, drawing your knuckles towards the floor. So your palms are facing each other. Okay, if you want to take it into the Yoga Mudra hand position, you can. A bit more challenging. Okay. Pull your navel and hinge forward at the hips. Lift your knuckles to the ceiling. Let your head drop. Let gravity take over. Okay, give your neck a rest. So lowering of the ego of the mind to the wisdom of the heart. Deep Dirga breath. Stay with your breath. Okay, and just coming out when you're ready into child's pose. The kneeling version, come down on your knees. There's a lot of, this is an inversion, so there's a lot of blood rushing to your head. So, you know, if you start to feel dizzy, the kneeling version is a better option for you. And it's also less pressure on your lower back. Om Shanti. Namaste. Thank you everyone for sharing this yoga practice with me today. And we'll see you next time.